Hi everyone, this is Matt from mrptechreviews.com, and today I'm going to do a review and unboxing of a brand new System76 laptop. I have taken advantage of some of the back to school sales and the great deals from System76 and took a look at the Gazelle. The latest edition came out in June 2018. It's got a 15.6 1080p matte display with a backlit keyboard and number pad and the 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor. I'm really excited to talk to you about it. This is the box that it came in, brand new. Took about 11 days for this laptop to come in. I have recently recorded the episode 110 of the MrpTech Podcast on podnuts.com, where I talk about my experience buying a System76 laptop for the first time. Today, I just want to go over some of the unboxing and just a brief hardware review of these System76 laptops. And can you really unleash your potential, like the box says? I'm really excited to talk about this. I hope you enjoy this rendition of an unboxing from System76. And so opening the box for the first time, you'll find the amount of effort that has and thought that has gone into this system. Very cool artwork, very cool design work on the inside of the box, very much representative of System76 and the company that has been built over the last 10 years or so. On the inside of the box, you will see that the laptop, there's no styrofoam, no waste. It's wrapped in a very durable plastic that is then wrapped around cardboard. This laptop arrives very sturdy. It is not going anywhere. It's not going to move around inside the box at all. And I was pleasantly surprised to see that it's all reusable materials. And on the upper portion of the box, tucked away nice and neat, you'll see the power adapter for the laptop that is again stored in plastic. Here's a look at some of the artwork on the inside of the box. Just a cool idea to get everybody excited about their new machine. Once you take the laptop out, it's very easy to remove from the box. Basically effortless. Take the plastic off. You can always reuse the box in the future. If you want to sell it in the future, maybe sell it on eBay. You can store, if you say you're moving or you want to move your laptop from one place to another for some reason, you can put it back in the box very easily. Everything is reusable. The power adapter that System76 includes has always been one of my favorite because of the length of the cord. Many laptop distributors provide power adapters that aren't very long, makes it difficult to plug in on a desk or a table or anywhere you're working with the laptop. From my experience, both of my System76 laptops have a very long power adapter, and in this case you also get a screw that comes with the machine for an SSD drive and an SD card slot cover that you can insert into the laptop to basically protect it from dust and dirt getting inside your laptop. So here's a closer look at the SD card slot protector and the SSD drive screw, I should say. Once you remove the laptop from the box, you'll notice the laptop is covered in a very fine sheet of plastic to prevent dust and other items entering the laptop during shipping. Once I did this and removed the plastic, I was absolutely blown away by the build quality of this laptop, which we'll get into in just a minute. It by far exceeded my expectations tenfold. Before we get into the laptop, I want to talk about some items in the box that made me feel good about my purchase. A card from System76 saying thank you for your purchase included a few surprises that I want to talk about really quickly with all of you. So first of all, inside the card there is a few stickers, one of System76 and Pop! OS. Those stickers you could put on your laptop, you could put anywhere else if you collect stickers or if you want to put them on your hardware. Just fun items, again, from a company that has evolved over the last 10 years and really knows how to serve its customers right. Not only do you get stickers, but you also get a thank you note from System76 for your purchase. And you also get a really neat breakaway cutout robot from System76 named Mervin, which is a whole lot of fun to see when you're unboxing something for the first time. Really made for a great overall experience. Here's a look at that thank you note from System76. I won't read through it all the way. If you want to pause the video and take a look and read it, you can. It gives you customer support numbers, it gives you all the information that you need, and just a big thank you from System76 for your purchase. Not only did I get that, but I also got a phone call from them the day after I purchased the laptop, and I was really excited that they actually took the time to take 30 seconds and call their new customer. Overall, my experience from clicking purchase to receiving this item has by far exceeded my expectations of this company. I am proud to be the newest owner of a System76 laptop. Now, the video doesn't do it really quite justice. This laptop is absolutely beautiful, and there are some designs on the cover of this laptop, some bezel designs that are just beautiful. Comparing it from my old laptop, which I will do in just a minute, this is the biggest improvement I've seen from System76. And I just want to go with you through some of the hardware that's included on this device to give you a better idea of what to expect. So taking a look at the side here, this will be the left side. You've got a plug for the power. You have your Ethernet adapter. You also have a VGA port, an HDMI port, USB-C, and USB 3.0, and an SD card slot, making this laptop an extremely useful device for anyone wanting to have extra peripherals, who wants to get work done, who wants to be able to use their laptop to its fullest potential. As the box said, unleash your potential. This gives you room to do just about anything that you want. And taking a look at the other side now, you'll see a headphone jack, microphone jack, and a couple more USB ports on the side as well, giving you extra room, extra flexibility, and maybe even more peripherals. I believe it's even an eSATA port on the end. Actually, I'm corrected. That's actually a USB port. So this device also comes with a Kensington lock, so you can secure it to a desk if you really need to. Just blown away on how much has improved. It's very lightweight for a very powerful laptop. And in the front, you'll notice it's actually quite thin. I was expecting it to be a monster of a laptop compared to my other Gazelle that I've purchased used on eBay, and very lightweight as far as what I expected. It does have some weight to it, but nothing nearly what I expected. Once fully powered on, you really can see the display lights in the front indicating a fully charged battery. So that was good to see from a new customer's standpoint, that I didn't have to wait for a battery to be charged. It was already full, ready to go. Here's a good look at some of the design work on the lid of the laptop. Again, far exceeded my expectations from my purchase. So I would give a 5-star review on the hardware of this laptop. It is just some of the best hardware I've seen, and this laptop is quickly becoming one of my favorite laptops that I've ever owned. I'm going to get into that in just a minute. Opening the lid now, you'll notice the keyboard, matte display, good sized trackpad, left and right click buttons for the trackpad, number pad on the keyboard, making this laptop about as useful as a laptop as you will ever get. And now it's time to turn it on for the first time. So the power button located right in the middle of the laptop, which is a different design than the previous System76 I owned. The backlit keys not only come to one level of brightness, but many different levels of brightness that you can set. making this a perfect laptop for any environment that you're working in. And you'll notice it did not take Ubuntu long to boot in for the first time. Now, this is the setup boot, so it's taking a little longer than normal. Once it came up, I basically just had to put in my credentials, username, password, and then reboot, and I was up and running. Now, everything included, the System76 drivers, System76 firmware updater already installed, already ready to go for this laptop. So all you have to do next is install whatever software you'd like to use. The install process as a whole took less than 5 minutes. I was really blown away at how quickly this machine put everything together. I put Mervin on the laptop so he could watch me install Ubuntu for the first time on this machine. I'm real curious to try Pop! OS. That's my next goal for this laptop, and I'll maybe post a video soon on Pop! OS as well. But overall, this machine is quickly becoming my laptop of choice, making my full transition to Linux over the next few weeks. So Ubuntu 18.04 coming pre-installed. Not much is installed other than the default software included in 18.04. System76 does offer some background images, as well as I mentioned before, driver support, and a new thing that I've noticed, the firmware support, which I'm really interested in trying out. After my first use of this laptop, shutting down was very quick and easy. I mean, again, this is i7 processor with 32 gigs of RAM, shut off for the first time without a hitch, and did not take very long to complete the shutdown at all. So if you're looking to buy System76, the customer experience for a first-time customer far exceeded any of my expectations, from the phone call, from the letter inside the box, to the stickers, to the robot Melvin. Just made me smile as a customer. And System76 has made so many improvements over the last year. So this is my new System76 on the left and the old System76 on the right. The design qualities are just above and beyond what they used to be, and I'm really excited to share this video with you today. I really would love to get my hands on some extra System76 hardware, because this is a company that I really want to support, and they have created a long-time customer, and maybe in the future I'll have another device to review. Probably won't be for a while, but I really enjoy System76, and I hope you consider them in your next System76 purchase. And if you'd like more information on my review of this System76 laptop, check out the latest episode of the MrpTech Podcast, episode 110. Thanks so much for listening and watching this video today, guys. We will see you next time.